Hello, dear royals. Welcome back to my channel. This is Evan with MC Keys. If you're new on here, welcome on board. So good to have you here. If you're returning, I'm so excited to have you back here. Okay. Now, if you're interested in growing a beautiful, gorgeous, healthy hair, you're in the right place. Please subscribe, like this video, share, comment. Okay. All right, today, as always, I have a very interesting topic and tutorial. It's always very interesting to show to you. Okay, we will be making a hairspray. This is not an ordinary hairspray because this spray is loaded with herbs. Okay, and it is loaded with an ancient Indian hair growth secret, fenugreek. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you will know my love for fenugreek. Okay, I don't joke with fenugreek. This hair loves fenugreek. And this spray, because if you don't have time to deep condition your hair or do all of that good stuff, then chip, 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 spray your hair with this booster hair spray. Now let's get to my kitchen and prepare this hair spray. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And then you'll die. Welcome back to my kitchen. Yay. All right, so this is our fenugreek. Oh my God, this powder is loaded with iron and protein. And those are the two essential composition that we need for our hair to be strengthened and to grow. I'm going to go in with half cup, about half cup. If you want to, just go in with about 3 tablespoons. I wanted mine to be extra thick. That was why I chose to go in with that much. Okay, and now I am gonna go in with my rosemary, and this is the crushed rosemary. Rosemary, all know, is very essential for hair growth. It stimulates growth, it improves blood circulation to the scalp, which encourages, of course, growth, and it also acts as a cleanser. Due to the antibacterial quality, it gently cleanses the hair, adds shines, and also treats scalp issues like dandruff, dry scalp, flaky, whatever hidden dry or hidden scalp issues that you have, rosemary will take care of it. I am gonna go in with my hot water. Okay, I don't want to boil this the my herb and my powder. I just wanted to add hot water to extract all of the good nutrients from my fenugreek and from my rosemary. So I thought at first I was going to go in with 1 cup of hot water. Like I said, fenugreek, or if I had mentioned, fenugreek does swell. So you might want to go with a lot of water. If not, fenugreek will drink all that water up. It will suck it all up. All right, I added that much water again. And look at that, because my water was hot, it was, almost doing what I wanted it to do. Look at the color change. And this thing smells so good. Did I mention that fenugreek also contains a unique composition of plant compounds, which includes flavonoids and saponins? And these are the compounds that are presumed to induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal effect. There's tons of benefit to the hair that that fenugreek and rosemary provides, but this is just a few. I'm going to cover this up for an hour or 2 hours. Look at that. If your water is just warm, make sure you leave it on for like 2 hours. And I went in with a double cheesecloth because I don't want any residue in the hair. Now look at that. Fenugreek soaked up most of my water. Now look at the much that I got from this. But it's okay because, like I said, I wanted it to be very thick. I've left my own hair out for a while, so I need all of this goodness, on my scalp and in my hair and in my daughters, both of my daughters' hair also. And now I'm just pouring this into a spray bottle that I have, an old spray bottle. And yeah, look at that. I don't really have any residue at the bottom. So yay. Thanks to the double cheese cloth. And that's it. Ta-da! How simple is that? And if you want to, this is, optional. I added lemon oil, okay? Because like I said, I also will be using this for the scalp, and this is 5 drops of lemon oil and 5 drops of tea tree oil. We all know the calming effect of tea tree to the scalp. So yes, I did that. Optional. And then I went in with my extra virgin olive oil. I wanted this to take some of that dryness from the rosemary. I only added half tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And that's it. The oils are optional, okay? Your main ingredient is fenugreek and rosemary. And I'm gonna shake this up to get everything mixed up properly. And you got it. And this is my model, my second daughter, Snow. And I'm just gonna spray this. Look at her hair. This girl be rolling on the floor with her hair. And but anyways, putting this into her hair and her scalp. And just using my hand to massage it into her scalp and hair before washing. Pre-poo. Okay, pre-poo. And now step number 2, I'm also going to also use it as a leave-in. I have washed her hair, conditioned her hair, and now I am putting it as a leave-in. So there are different ways you can use this, like different ways. And I'm going to use my hand to massage it into her scalp, and to make sure that all of our hair strands get this goodness. And when I part her hair to make her hair, I'm also going to use a little bit before adding a leave-in conditioner. And that's how rich hair. Fenugreek is so good to this hair. Look at that. Your hair can never be weak because it strengthens the hair, okay? From the protein and iron provides all of that strength. And this is the final result. I just put her hair in a protective style for school twists. Simple, gorgeous, dark, rich, healthy. When you feed your hair right, your hair will return that love right back at you. Okay, I hope you're gonna try this super rich treatment. Thank you, dear Royals, for watching. Let me know in the comment section, are you gonna be making this hairspray? Okay, please do it, and your hair will thank you. Is that button still red on your end? Why? Please subscribe, subscribe, like this video, share this video, comment on this video. I will see you next week for another super interesting tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a great rest of the day. Bye.